का प्रेस मीट करने का मेन उद्देश्य क्या है सर?
इसका ओनली उद्देश्य है, ये कानून है, गो हत्या के निषेध कानून, इसको रिपील करना, इसको रिमूव करना विदाउट एनी कंडीशंस, बिकॉज our government has got the majority. People who voted for it knew that they will repeal this inhuman legal system about cows. See, cows, it is reared and cultivated by farmers. They are making it fake sentimental issue. Fake. Why I am saying it fake? They are saying it is mother. How can you cut your mother when it is aged? My question is simple. My mother is not bought from bazaar. This cow is bought from bazaar. And when it becomes old or not yielding much milk, I will sell it in the bazaar. At the same time, ये बहुत क्या काफ को जन्म देता है ना, इसके टाइम पे ये मेल चाइल्ड, मेल काफ will be killed or it will be sent to naturally to the consumers. So if it is my mother, will I do it for my own sisters and brothers? No, don't talk about this. Yes, we are emotionally connected. It is organic connection. Whether it is chicken or dog or even sheep, goat, everything we are emotionally and organically connected. We treat them like our own family members. That does not mean that it becomes my own brother, sister or mother. Don't raise this emotional issue. Second thing, I want to raise one more question. Who is backing this cow slaughter canon? It is totally Jain community. Because cow export, beef export is 40,000 crores business. In that business, about 10-15 years ago, Muslims had a share of not less than 25%. To the extent of 7,000 to 10,000 crores. You can get all these details online. I may be telling lies. Please refer the online. But today Muslims are not doing even 5%. It is totally controlled by Jain community. Jain community, they never rear a cow. They don't eat beef also, but they export beef. At the same time, it is boneless beef. Bones will be used in pharmacies, pharmaceuticals. And pharmaceuticals is also controlled by Jains. Total control. So it is Jain community. It is not just RSS or Brahmins who are behind this cow protection issue. It is totally Jain community. This we held today and we insist and we pressurize and we demand that the government should repeal it as fast as possible without any conditions.
So what's the message for those people, like, off late, last year, many times we have seen, because of cow vigilance are there, because of cow, people have been killed.
See,
in the name of cow. Idris, we have one example.
I told you, cow is being eaten in this country not only by Muslims, even by Dalits, even my tribal people. But they are not talking about tribal people, Dalits or Christians, because they are not getting any benefit apart from eating. But Muslims were getting benefit because of beef exports. They were doing it openly. Now it is stopped. So that is this vigilance committee and everybody is attacking only Muslims. The point is, they are making the point that you should not involve in the business. So naturally they will be scared. See, most of the matas who take these unproductive cows are after some time they are sending their cows to slaughterhouses only, whether it is Mantralaya or anywhere. I am ready to challenge them. If they challenge me, I am ready to prove my point. They are sending it to Mehboob Nagar. Even in Bangalore, they give it to Muslim beef cutters only. So, ultimately, their aim is to protect the interest of Jains, but these vigilant committees or these Bajrang Dal boys, they just are not aware of it. Just let them go through it. 40,000 crore business per year. How much they can spend to maintain their hold, monopoly on this business?
So yesterday, Pramod Mutalik, he did a go puja. So because don't you think somewhere it is sentimentally attaching people?
No, I am telling you, no. See, they have been sentimentally poisoning the people. Poisoning. But we know, I am from a agrarian community. We know how difficult it is to protect unproductive cow. We feel sad about it, but we have no other go. We have to sell it. We used to sell. Even I myself, when I was a young boy of 10, 12 years, every summer holidays, I used to go to my village. And once in 2 years, the cows will be changed. Cows which is unproductive will definitely was given to Muslims. But we never used to discuss that he is going to eat it, to cut it. It was not necessary also. They used to pay money and take it. This Mutalik is also a Jain. He is also a Jain. Why should he come into the issue of Hindus? What does he mean by Hindus? I am a Hindu. He is not a Hindu. He is a Jain. If you consider Hinduism as a religion. So, now onwards, don't talk this emotional issue. If it is your mother, how will you action it in Bazaar? And how many street cows are there throughout India, even in Bangalore? How many? Thousands of cows. If it is mother, why you are not protecting? Why you are making puja at your place? Go and take them and protect them.
So my last question, BJP in Karnataka has warned the Congress, the present government, saying if you try to repeal the act, they'll have to feel the consequences. So how do you support them?
Say, the people who are talking about it is not there, not even 5%. The people who are talking for repealing is more than 60%. We know how to face them. See, ultimately it's the clash of ideology. Otherwise, the boys in Bajrang Dal are our boys, our own boys. We will pull them here. Let us see what fight they can give.
Thank you, sir.